In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut in LMMS. Now, there's actually no direct button to cut. Of course, there is if you right click and click on cut. However, that's not going to slice it or cut it the way you want. So there's a workaround to actually do this and cut different blocks. Let me show you how to do this. Now, if I double click on this sound over here, it's going to open up my piano roll. And as you can see, I have like two separate portions. And let's say I would like to create a cut over here. Now, again, there's no direct button to do this. However, we can work smart around it and do it a different way. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually take this selection, and let's say I want to get a cut over here in the middle. So I'm going to select these notes over here. They're going to get selected. I'm going to click on the copy button up top, and it's going to copy these notes. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go next to it here, click, and then double click, and I'm going to click on the paste button, and there we go. The notes are in here, and if I click on them, I'll be able to basically move these around. So for the first time you actually paste them, you'll able to move them around. So just like this, as you can see, I clicked paste, and there we go. I can move all of them together around just like that. And then whenever you're happy with this, you can leave it and exit that, and we have the second portion. Then you go back into the first one, and you just simply have to click on the delete button. So you could also click on the erase button and just go through it like this. There we go. And we've erased this portion, and we've now essentially done a cut. Now, I know it's not the most convenient way, but it works, and it's essentially just like cutting, just kind of a longer workaround of doing it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.